Hi everyone, I'm Charles from Empress Mills. We've been around as a company for quite some time, over 90 years in fact, and this week we celebrate our 92nd birthday. We're using it as a chance to reach out and connect with you not just through the Empress Mills website, Facebook and other social media, but for the very first time through video. Truth be told, I am a little bit nervous. Mum has taken me to sewing events throughout the country since being very little, so I know I will know many of you watching. However, things are always different in front of a camera than chatting face to face. So please do bear with me as these videos start to take shape and hopefully gather momentum. The driving force, the idea behind the videos has been our wonderful customers. Chatting to you at shows, emailing and more recently reading replies to a questionnaire that we popped on the website, we're hearing a lot of feedback saying, although you're loving the fabrics and other textiles we're adding to the website, flat images and text simply aren't doing them justice. Take fabrics for example. You need to know more how they flow, drape, stretch, how they change shade slightly in different lights. Things along those lines. We're hoping video will bridge this gap. And so we've built this small studio. It's not massive, it's not filled with high technology, but we have high hopes that it will help us reach out to you guys more in a more interactive way. We do want to hear your ideas. Please comment, email me your suggestions. What would you like to see featured? What would you like to see on the videos? How would you like them to take shape? It's a very new idea to us and we want to know what you're looking for. Our plans, very briefly, are to bring you new fabrics, haberdashery and various textiles as they arrive with us. We have lots arriving daily almost, but certainly weekly, so that should keep us quite busy. We've also been in touch with various tutors and sewing experts. We're hoping to broaden that range, but our idea is to bring you tutorials on everything ranging from dressmaking through to quilting and patchwork, and also the sewing essentials, how to use a new item of haberdashery, how to use existing haberdashery, and all sorts of things, again along those sort of lines. We really want you to join us on the journey, and we can only express that in saying please send us your suggestions. We honestly want to know what you want. What would you like to see featured? What fabrics would you like to see? What tutorials would you like to see? We are here for you. Send us your ideas in comments and we will do our very best to accommodate them. Cracking. So there we go. My first video, very nearly done. Please, if you get a chance, take the time to subscribe to the Empress Mills YouTube channel. That way you'll receive updates as and when we post new videos. I'm hoping to aim for 1 to 2 a week to start with, as I say, with new fabrics and things, but we'll see how things develop. Many thanks for watching and I hope you join us again soon.